In the enterprise version of Automation Anywhere, Intelligent Automation has built-in version control. What is version control? It helps teams work with revisions to automations by keeping older versions of the automation available. Should something fail to work properly on a newer version of the automation, the older version can be recalled and put back in place instead. So how does the version control process work? First, we have to talk about check-in and check-out. As you probably already know, new automations are always created in the private area. This is good since no one, not even administrators, can see any bots until they're ready. This takes a little pressure off you as a bot developer. Once you're ready to release your automation into the wild, you check it into public. This moves your automation from your private area to the public area. When an automation is checked into the public side of the control room for the first time, it's given a version number of 1. If you or one of your team members needs to make additional changes to your automation, they'll check out the automation, which locks it in public and puts an editable version in your private area. When the changes are finished, check the automation back in, which removes it from the private area and unlocks it in the public area. When that automation is checked out, modified, and checked back in, the new version is given a version number of 2, and so on. Should the automation need to be rolled back, the user can check out whichever version they want using the advanced options. Once the older automation is checked out, modified, and checked back in, it's given a new version number, such as 3 in our example here. It's also possible now to add a label to an automation. You can use this label to choose which version you want to use for specific automation operations. Labels only work with automations checked into the public area, and you must have permissions from your Center of Excellence for the ability to add labels. Another useful function of version control is the ability to compare 2 versions of bots to see what changed. This allows you to better determine what was modified and how it could have affected the automation's operation. Try checking out and checking in bots on your own enterprise control room. Your understanding of this process will help you work with your team more effectively. Thanks for watching, and go be great.